the 1950s, before she rose to international fame as the screen icon Raquel Welch, she was known by her birth name, Jo Raquel Tejada. Growing up in Southern California, she was a bright young student who also shone in local beauty contests, earning crowns and recognition that hinted at her future stardom. This period of her life reflected both the aspirations of a young woman finding her path and the cultural atmosphere of post-war America, where glamour and opportunity intertwined. It was only later, as she stepped into Hollywood, that Jo Raquel Tejada transformed into Raquel Welch, one of the most recognizable sex symbols of the 20th century.